Guardians of the Galaxy 3 hits the screens in May, and I don't think I'm alone in saying that this is crunch time for the MCU. After Black Widow, Shang-Chi, Eternals, Multiverse of Madness, Thor Love and Thunder, Wakanda Forever, and now Quantumania, I can't be alone in thinking this is it. If Marvel doesn't deliver big time on this finale, I don't see how it's going to make it going forward. And even if it's a big hit, which it very well may be, it looks like from the trailer they're retiring a whole slew of beloved characters, leaving the MCU to Spider-Man, Daredevil, whatever they do with the Fantastic Four and X-Men, and a ragtag selection of duds the general audience never really cared about.
Not a great plan.